airport, the Paris airport, CDG, and I'm in Terminal 2. And I thought I would just do a quick little shopping vlog. I've already been inside Hermes. They're the nicest. The guy there is so nice. So I already vlogged part of that. So I'm gonna cut to that now. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I go to a few other stores, Dior. I'm also gonna show you, what is it called? Bulgari. And make sure you're subscribed. You can follow me on my Instagram as well. It's BVLGARI. And when you see me next, I'm gonna be taking you to the France airport Hermes. Hi guys, so I'm just leaving the airport and they have Hermes. I did try to see if they had a bag there. Do they ever, I have a question for you guys who travel in France, do they ever have handbags? He was really nice, but he said that they don't have. But I saw the 2020, I think it's called the 24 bag. There you can see it in, it's like tan with canvas. But yeah, so they've got some cute little belts. Maybe I will actually show you. Mama. I'm gonna show you this. They're really nice. Oh, there's the little passport holders. I think that's Rose Azali and Chevrolet. Really pretty, and I think that's Rose Confetti, the little pink key holder, the Calvi and that blue. These are in the croc. Wow, 9,000 pounds just for the wallet, which is more expensive than a Kelly and Togo. And then, just because I'll show you, I love the Kelly 18 belt. I think this might be like Rouge Vif or Rouge Casac. Yeah, that's beautiful. Belts, the shoes. It's gorgeous. So I saw that they had the Dior. Au revoir, merci beaucoup. Vous êtes très gentil. Au revoir, bonne journée. So I thought maybe I might show you at Dior. I haven't been inside. They might tell me not to film, but I'll see. And then this one is so pretty. I like it in the burgundy. And then I like the Lady Dior's. What do we think? A little mini airport vlog. And then cute colors, lots of neutrals. This one. Oh, I like this color here. This is really pretty. It's like a muted purpley with like purple undertones. It's really nice. I like that a lot. It's like I think it's called Rose Poudre, maybe. This one in the tan. Oh, and again, it's that really nice color. So really pretty. 25.52 euros or 2,900. I think it's for the two different sizes. What do we think about these chunky loafers? These are so pretty with the pearl. Oh, I love that choker over there. The little choker. So pretty. I love the little pearl ones. And then these little rings. So I don't know what the situation with like the VAT refund is at the airport. I know in England, I think they stopped like doing tax-free in the UK, but I'm not sure about France. France, they might still have it.
Oui, c'est celui-ci, le tout dernier de la maison.
Madame, j'ai une question. Is there tax dans l'airport? Tax-free?
Depends on your destination, madame.
Canada.
So it's tax-free price already.
Pour tous les
produits.
C'est très bien, merci beaucoup. Okay, so it is tax-free for everything here. So that if I got the Kelly belt, it would have been tax-free here. But I think I'm gonna wait to get it from my regular sales associate because, you know, that I have more of a chance to get a Kelly. And then I love these sandals. Again, I love this color. And then there's that like very, with the purpley undertones, purpley nude. It's really pretty. And then the Twillies. Honestly, I always love the designs of the Dior trolleys more than Hermes. But yeah, they're always so pretty, the Dior trolleys. They're called Mitsa scarves. Merci beaucoup. You guys want to see my airport look? I'm just all in black still. This whole trip in black. There's a Louis Vuitton. It's closed. It's not open yet. And Saint Laurent, Bulgari is open. And my flight is boarding in 25 minutes. So, oh, there's a ladder. So cute. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Oh, the cute little cat. J'avais juste regardé si c'est bien.
Il en reste deux, c'est ça. Deux Bonaparte. Bonaparte, c'est le nom. Ah non, pardon.
So pretty.
Framboise enrobée chocolat.
The whole flight, I'll just eat macarons. And then look how beautiful their little chandeliers are. So cute. I wish more of the stores were open. It's 11:30 a.m. so I'm surprised. See, there's Bottega, Burberry. I'm gate A37, so it's a great gate if you're wondering. And I believe this is the second terminal. And then here are the Bulgari bags. I've had a lot of you ask me to do a Bulgari vlog. So when I'm back in Toronto, I definitely will, because at home there'll be a lot more items and I'll be able to try on some of the bags. This one is $27.28. Again, I love that in Europe they have all the prices outside, because in Canada and in the US, they put the prices in the bag. So you have to kind of like rifle through the bag to see how much it is or ask. And this way you don't have to ask, it's just right there. I love this one with the little top handle. Oh, and this one with the snake chain. This is like the smoothest, softest chain. It's so pretty. It's 21.83 euros. This gorgeous pink one. And then look at this little bucket bag with the snake head. It's 19 euros. So that's amazing that it's tax-free, all of this. The red, I love a red bag. I feel like my favorite one would probably be this size. And I don't know what color. I like the pink. The green is really beautiful too. But if I were to choose, they have so many colors, so it wouldn't be one of these. They're really nice though, but it wouldn't be one of these. The red is beautiful. It's like a true red. It's a little bit, I like mine red's a little bit deeper, just a touch, like a little touch deeper. But it's gorgeous. And then this is the Python metallic gold, and I forget the name of this leather. What is that store? I think it's called, it's not Moinet, it's oh, I forget the name. I'll put it on the screen, but they do this type of leather often. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's some type of animal and I forget the name, but it's really pretty. And then they have the black one, and then gorgeous jewelry. So pretty. These are gorgeous. Hopefully my gate is closed, because I'm keeping this pretty last minute, but I've, you know, gone through security and everything, so I should be good, hopefully. So it only starts boarding in, I think, what is it, 20 minutes now? So, oh, look at these bracelets. They're so cute. And I'm pretty sure the gate is just right there. So pretty. Wow, this is 36,000 euros. And, oh, did I show you these? They're like little wallet-on chains in the red. These are very pretty. And I think that is everything. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. I just filmed an outro, but before I go, I want to show you these adorable little Paris souvenirs. I really want to get one. Oh, I'm gonna miss Paris, but I am so excited to be going home. I already miss home because I love Toronto, where I'm from, and but I'm definitely gonna miss Paris, and I'm so glad I came. And how cute are these? Oh my gosh, I feel like I should get one. They're so cute. And then check these little ones out. Oh, with the little macaroons. Too cute. And this gold one. Oh, I just love that. It's adorable. Oh, with the little horse. I love that. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut to my outro. Oh,